Hey everyone, Amy Carroll here with a C19 lockdown tip for you. Many of you already know the domino effect that our physical health impacts our mental health and our mental health impacts our resiliency, which is what helps us to stay partner, especially in times of high stress. And I'd say what many of us are experiencing definitely qualifies as high stress at this moment. So I have a suggestion for you, which may be a useful tool which you can weave into your daily routine. Not only will it pump up your physical muscles, it's going to pump up your partner muscles as well. Double whammy on you, COVID-19. All right. It's something I learned a few years ago called HIIT, which stands for High Intensity Interval Training. There's loads of videos out there that you can find on YouTube. The one I like is called Dr. Zach Bush's 4-minute workout. You can find the link below. Plus, he throws in a bunch of science for all you geeks out there. Of course, you know your limits, so take care of yourself, be a partner with yourself, and be sure to use your common sense whenever you're doing any kind of physical activity. Personally, every time I do this mini workout, I feel even more energized and confident to tackle whatever is in front of me. I even did a mini workout just before making this video, and it's helping me to chillax. So I hope this motivates you to go out there and get 'em, Tiger, and happy partnering.